This video was created to show how Dured, JL Industries, and Maxim's bolt-on safety railing is installed. Our bolt-on safety railing is an OSHA-compliant railing that is ideal for new roof hatch installations. It's designed to bolt onto the curb counterflashing and does not penetrate the curb, protecting the integrity of the roof membrane. Please install according to local building codes and practices. The tools needed are a power drill, T30 Torx bit, 1/4 inch Allen wrench, 1/4 inch hex bit, and a 3/4 inch wrench. Please ensure that you have all necessary parts before beginning the installation by referencing the documentation that ships with the product. Install the 4 corner brackets to the counterflash using a power drill with T30 Torx bit. Use the provided self-threading Torx screws to install brackets into counterflashing that has pre-drilled mounting holes. Confirm that you have the correct vertical post in the right location. The front right post has one set of holes to mount the gate latch catch. Install the vertical post into the corner bracket using the bolts and nuts provided. Select one of the 3 mounting positions in the corner bracket so that the top rail resides at 42 inches above the walking surface to ensure code compliance. Proceed and install all 4 vertical posts. Install the horizontal rails, making sure they are all correctly located. The horizontal rails are secured in place using set screws. Be sure that all the set screws are backed out. You then slide horizontal rails into brackets along the top and middle locations. Use the 1/4 inch hex bit to tighten the set screws at the bottom of each bracket to tighten the horizontal rails. For larger safety railings, there will be a swedge joint to combine the horizontal rails together. You then put the outside cap over it. Next, you will install the gate. Our standard gate opens left-handed with the hinges on the left-hand side. Install both hinges of the hinged piece to the left-hand corner post. For right-handed opening, a special latch pin kit is required and referenced in the installation instructions. Install the latch catch assembly into the opposite corner post with the provided Torx screws using the T30 Torx bit and drill. Install the U-bent gate piece. Then, screw the hook into the U-bent gate piece using the Torx screws. Install telescoping side of the gate with installed hook onto the hinged piece to fit the exit opening. Make sure the hook pin properly engages the latch catch and tighten set screws. Open the gate 90 degrees and release to verify the gate will self-close and self-latch.